welcome to another theory. Today is going to be a little different, where today I'll be proving that Petey, the world's most evilest cat, is the same as Pete, the cat. Get to it. So, a long time ago, a comment that appeared on my YouTube channel that said this. Petey is a cat. There is a children's book called Petey. And also, they're both are cats. They both have tails, and very cool looking cats, and they both have cat ears. And also, they both play musical instruments. Petey has a and Pete, the cat, also has a guitar. So those two are both musical instruments. Or what if black and green and orange paint spilled all over? He slowly turned into Petey, the world's most evil cat. And also, this theory would make sense because they are the same cat.
April Fools, and also, this is not a real theory, it's a joke. The joke here is that Pete the cat is really Petey, the world's most evil cat. So yeah, it's okay if you don't get it. But anyway, happy April Fools.